Hello folks, so today we're going to be installing an X2 controller, Hunter X2. It's Wi-Fi capable. As it comes in the box, it's not. You'll have to get a thing they call the wand to make it Wi-Fi compatible. So it's basically a kind of like an X-Core at this point without the module. But what I like is it's got an off switch. Now the Hunter HydroWise Pro HC is also Wi-Fi compatible, and it comes Wi-Fi compatible. It's got a little screen, but there's no dials, and it's all touch screen or app based. So this one, once it's Wi-Fi compatible with the wand, you can run it off your app, or you can run it off here. And then the bonus of what I like about this one is you just turn it off, where the Pro HC doesn't have this off function. You have to go and pause all the zones in the app. So here we go. Oh yeah, one more thing. This version 1 of the X2 controller has a, I don't know, like a permanent pigtail to it, and basically after this model, probably right now when you can watch the video, it'll have a kind of like a temporary pigtail that you can take off and hardwire in. So that's really good news. This particular one, first generation, it's, you can only plug it in, and then if you cut the cord, you void the warranty. So looking forward to having the ability to take this off and hardwire it in. It's gonna be great. So I have turned the power off, just so I don't get blasted. And even though I turned the power off, I'm still gonna check it. And then I'll go ahead and use the same conduit since it's all painted. Yeah, luckily they didn't glue this on here, so let's pop it off. And the X-Core doesn't need a male adapter. It's basically just a female end right here, so that's awesome. And I'm gonna install that, but for now we'll just show the controller. Then you just pop that out. Boom. So let's see here. See, it's talking to you. Launch, phone, app, or push side button. So I do have the app, so I'm just gonna launch this from the app to tell you it's working. So yeah, all you need now is the serial number and the app, and then you can link them all together. Serial number is found, probably cover this one up. It's just found on the end, right below my finger. You also notice one difference with the X2 is there's no lock, right? It's just a, well, you can put a padlock on there, but it doesn't have a built-in lock like the other controllers, the other Hunter controllers.